Hey everyone, so here is my 52-inch Hunter Lake Cottage 2 ceiling fan in, I call it a cream color, but it's really just a beige, kind of off-white. And it's got this like, kind of scratched up and burned wood look, and then the other side is just plain regular wood. This is from 2011. I had to add on this light kit because the bowl light kit, one of the light bulb sockets, one of the light sockets, I went to screw in a bulb to put it on my little testing rig, and it broke and sparked, so I couldn't do that. But I added this schoolhouse globe light. It doesn't look that bad. Honestly, if I were to put a schoolhouse globe or a Vista globe, this would kind of look like a Vista. And yes, the pole chain does not work. It's just there for decoration. But without further ado, we're going to go to low speed. So this fan, a little backstory about this fan. It used to be in my mom's room when we first moved in. And this fan was really slow, had a very bad capacitor. And we initially thought it was on medium. We always thought that it was medium, medium, and low. Because medium and high were basically the same speed. And then low speed was really slow. Well, now this actually has a selection of speeds because I guess it was just sitting for so long, but it currently has the Karman capacitor, which it actually doesn't really affect the fan that much. It still goes pretty fast. Blows a little bit of air. We're gonna go to medium. So here's medium. This is a really nice ceiling fan. I like it. This install actually looks pretty good. This is not the light bulb that I use with it. I just use my socket, air light, because it has the remote. Now we'll go to high. I just put these Harbor Breeze fobs on it because why not? Airflow is pretty good. Trying out this new video setting that I found where I could use Bluetooth headphones and my phone at the same time so that I could try to capture air. But yeah, so again, this pull chain doesn't work, but we'll go to off. And this thing actually takes forever to spin down. And a little issue with this fan, if one screw doesn't fit, the blades like droop down. But one of them droops down a lot. Which one is it? This one. Because some screws don't necessarily fit and it's loose. But I mean, it hasn't caused any issues except wobbling, but that's not that big. I also got to put the canopy up. I didn't have the canopy, or I couldn't find it, but I think I know where it is. But anyways, Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.